What is all this? Oh yeah, I get it started for him, and then he finishes. Oh, what is that, Grayson? What is that? Maybe Grandma can help you get it started.
Okay.
And then you can open it.
Okay, here we go. Oh, it's very taped up. Very. I don't know if Grandma can do it. Okay.
There you go. Go for it, Grayson. Bless you, Dad. Bless you.
Excuse me.
Okay, you want to open up the rest?
Keep going, Grayson.
Open.
Yeah, boy.
You can do it.
What's inside? What's in here? What is in here? Very good.
What is that, Grayson?
Yeah, what's this? Oh, it's lots of paper. What's in here? Oh, somebody has new pajamas.
Oh.
Very nice.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Nice.
Alien spaceships. Aliens and spaceships.
Cool. Very cute, Grayson.
Wow, they're big, Vanessa.
They look like they
Yeah.
would fit. Hey, can I use this?
Wow. He'll grow into them.
Can I wear this tonight?
You like the paper?
I like the paper. Oh, these are cute.
Nice. Nice. Nice paper, Grayson.
Wow. Should we try this one too?
Who's having fun?
Okay. Oh, there's something in there.
What's in there, Grayson? Huh? What is that? What is that, Grayson?
Somebody's in there. Who's that? Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
What is that?
that's cute.
Who's this?
Very nice. That one's from Debbie. He wants the paper.
The paper. I know.
He'll end up sleeping with that toy later, though.
I think we should have just got him
Some
a
wrapping paper.
pile of paper. Thank you.
Paper. You like the paper, huh?
Here you go,
More
Grayson.
paper. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, honey. Merry Christmas. Does Jessica open up the gifts now?
Oh yeah,
too?
she's really into opening gifts. She's got that down to a science.
Good. Well, she's had lots of practice.
Yeah.
Wow.